How to add a contact to Viber. If any day you would like to add a contact to Viber but do not know how to do it, then just follow the following steps as we have got the easiest solution for this. First of all, you have to launch Viber application on your mobile device. In order to do so, you have to tap on Viber on your mobile device. After tapping on the Viber on your mobile device, your Viber will be launched on your very mobile device. After that, you will see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the next option, that is the three icons on the option of more there. We have to tap on the three icons on the option of more there, and there you can see the option of add contact. Now to tap on the option of add contact. After you tap on the option of add contact, you can see the interface like enter the phone number or scan the QR code. You can either enter the phone number which you want to like to add, or you can also scan the QR code on the very device there. For example, I would like to add the very number here, and I've tapped the very number here like this. So after you tap the very number, you have to go to the next option, that is the option of continue. And after you go to the option of continue, you can see the very person there whose number it is, and this way the person can be added in your Viber. But sometimes when the person is not in Viber, you can also invite the very person to the Viber, and this way the very person will be added to your contacts. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.